Hi, I'm Patty.
And Luigi.
This is our 19th week. Our last vlog.
Yeah, our last vlog, sadly. 4 months ago, my starting weight was... Before we started the program, I was 321 pounds.
And I was 169.
Yeah, she was 169 pounds. And now, I'm 285.
Well, I'm 144, so I lost around 25 pounds.
Basta mas confident kami ngayon. So when we go out, parang... Alam mo yun, iba yung feeling mo, iba yung tindig mo.
And yung endurance natin, parang mas matagal na tayong nag-gym.
Although ngayon, noong isang araw ito nakakatawa. Nag-gym kami. Aba, sleeveless! Sleeveless ang lola mo. Nakakatawa lang, no? Grabe, 3 taon. 3 years kami magkasawa. First time ko siya nakita naka-sleeveless. Grabe talaga. Definitely, gusto namin ituloy itong program na to. Yung pagpapapayat namin, living a healthy life. Of course, we can't stop here lang, di ba?
Sa online community naman, syempre kasi ako yung nag-aayos nun. Natutuwa ako pag nagpo-post kami ng pictures, tas puro likes, parang ang daming nagsusupport sa amin.
Parang feeling nila, inspiration kami sa kanila, magpapayat. And parang nakakatuwa lang na never in my life naisip ko na magiging inspirasyon ako magpapayat. Hello! So
we have special
guests here
with us today.
Genevieve Mercado and Ben Mar, Van Eldick, Prince Ben Mar.
Hi.
Si Patty, confident mom na siya ngayon. Tapos, hot mama na for all of us. We're both mommies. She even goes three times a day ng workout kapag medyo may cheat day every week. Kasi just, para masatisfy lang niya yung urge niya in eating. But then again, I've learned from her too, na besides being a sexy and hot mom, naging parang siya yung driving force ni Luigi.
Ngayon, si Luigi, sobrang confident na niya ngayon. Nasasabi na niya na, bro, daddy ko si Aga, nakikita mo ba? Kamukha ko na ngayon, diba? Ngayon, pag lumalabas kami, si Luigi talagang, yung mga friends namin, parang, Luigi, alam mo, mas pogi ka para sa dad mo.
Add us on Facebook. It's
facebook.com/stepup.luigiandpatty, or you can also add or like the Fit Tonight fan page. Nandun pa rin po kami. Sasagot pa rin kami sa mga tanong nyo.
We'll update you guys pa rin.
Yeah. Grace, hi.
Bye! Thank you!
Bye! Thank you!